Watcher, I'm Ian, this is the Essential Handyman, welcome back to the channel. Regular viewers of the channel will know, through the things that I've done in the past and how many times I've mentioned it, I hate bending down, I despise it. I've made magnetic pickup sticks, all sorts of things. Some of the tools I bought were always long-handled ones. I hate bending down. So when I decided it was time to tidy up the garden, get rid of the weeds, sort out the lawn, etc., I took a walk through my local garden centre and I come across something which is just up my street. Let me show you what it is. So this is the Fiskars Xact long-handled weed puller. Now this thing is going to be a game changer for me because my lawn is well overgrown at the moment. I've got all sorts of weeds and things in there and thatch. Now it's that time of the year when I'm about to sort of give my first, I like the first cut. I'm going to give it the first sort of top dressing and feed and weed and get rid of the fats, give it a little bit of a scarify. But this thing here is going to be a game changer for me. Let me show you what it's like. Okay, straight off the bat you can see it's a metre long, 100 centimetres, 950 grams in weight. It's made from aluminium. It's really, really lightweight. It's got a load of other bumps on the back there. No interest to me whatsoever. Let's take the label off and I'll show you how this works. One other thing worth mentioning, this cost me $39.99. However, I've done some research since I got back from the shops and you can get these for about 25 quid online. So in my haste to buy something that was, oh my god, it's a gadget, I spent a little bit over the top. But if you want to do your research and buy them online, you can get them a lot cheaper. Now this thing has got 4 prongs. This goes around the weed. You push it in, it goes into the grass, around the weed. When you angle it backwards, it closes the prongs up, yeah? And then when you pull it out of the ground and you push this handle down, and that opens it up again. It's the simplest thing. Let's have a look at it working. How good is that? Let me find the bucket and we push our handle down and it releases it. See what brings it up, it pushes it down. Couldn't be easier. Many things in life I call a game changer. This is one of them. This is amazing. I love it. So there you go. This could be the world's simplest and shortest video. But when something is effective and simple, why complicate it? If you don't like bending down, you got a bad back, or you're just lazy. Well, it's not laziness, is it? We've only got one back. We've got to protect it. Can't keep bending over. Everyone gets bad backs at some point in their lives. This will just protect it. Simple, simple, simple. Why didn't I know about this before? Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully this has made your life a little bit easier. I know it's made mine a hell of a lot easier. See you on the next video. See ya.